White Temple. Let's go. Hey, good morning. Here from the Thailand Amazon. As you can see, I'm here in Chiang Mai. We have been 2 days in Chiang Rai, spent 2 days there. We visited the White Temple, which was very nice to see. But today there is a very popular festival here in Thailand called Katon. And this evening we're going to this festival. We're going to do our own lantern and then express a desire, make a wish, and let it go through the sky. So some people put the lanterns on the river during the night, so it's like an offer to the gods. Some people take the lanterns, they put the lanterns on the river, but we going to make our lanterns and we'll make it go through to the sky and then express a wish for the next year. It's very popular, it's very important festival here in Thailand. Join me, join us this last adventure here in Thailand.
I like your nails.
Andiamo. Thank you. Ah. Hello. 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 Okay. So here we are, here at the entrance of the festival, waiting for the sunset, for the festival to begin, to the night to begin. Hopefully it will be nice, but it looks very good.
What you have seen in the flowers farm, there are the divine beasts from Himapan forest coming to bless you all for tonight, to bring your good luck and relieve your suffering away. Once you have already finished baking kratom, you can walk through the flower farms and turn left, and then you can go straight to the bank. It's available for
Bello, no? Lì ci sta, vedi, tipo degli angeli. So here we are, here Here we are, here in the middle of the festival, waiting for the lantern for the night. It looks very nice. Kratom, welcome to Kratom. Now I'm here waiting for my friend. We're going to take a small boat with a candle and make a wish. The first will be on the river. Waiting for my friend here. Stanno facendo... Foto. Di là, di là. Hello. Guarda che bella la luna.
Bellissima!
Bella, no?
Spettacolare!
So we're now... Eccoli, questi qua sono. Sì. Hello. Here I come back with my friend. Two. Yeah.
เอาเลยค่ะ เลือกเอาเลย
Okay, I can take this. Yeah.
อันไหนก็ว่ามันเอาจองหมดเลย
Yeah, the same. This one. Or maybe this. Please.
Thank you
Okay, I have to be careful, eh? Thank you very much. Yeah, I have to be careful with this. You want to film me? Okay, thank you. Yeah. Welcome here to Chiang Mai, here to make a wish at how is the name of this festival?
Lantern Yipeng.
Oh?
Yipeng.
Okay, welcome to the festival. I will make a wish now. Let's go.
Good.
Com'è che si chiama questo festival?
And then,
Katon. Kratom
Kratom.
Festival. Thank you to my Brazilian friend recording me.
you're welcome.
Kratom. This is the thing. Be careful, huh? And you don't have a light here?
No, not yet. I will
After.
take. Yes.
Okay.
Look.
De este lado y yo la tiro de este lado. ¿Sí?
Ah.
Hey, good morning. So as you can see, it's our last day here in Chiang Mai with my friend, and today we started the morning, visiting this very beautiful temple, as you can see. Later we're going to do the elephant tour, we're going to feed them, we're going to spend a half day with the elephants and going to visit a waterfall. So join us in this last tour here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So guys, here we are here at the elephant sanctuary. As you can see, I'm dressed up. Now we're going to feed them, spend 2 hours, see how we look like. Vamos!
Elephant, you can fit two way, okay? From the trunk and then in the mouth. In the mouth, we have to say bone. And then put bone is mean open your mouth. Yes.
Bone.
And then sometimes when banana fall down the leaving, they can pick up with yourself.
No need. Because they will feel like you trick them.
Yeah.
Now, and please stay is not face to
Let's go to
face.
feed.
Because the trunk, right? Stay beside the left side or the right side. Example, bone on the left. Use one hand. Another hand is not throw away like this. Please be gentle to the elephant. Feeding slowly and smooth. Come on, eat like this. Try.
Di nutrirli con gentilezza, con piano, con calma, senza fare di fretta.
Yeah, just bring one baguette. If you don't, take more here.
Yeah, leave here.
Start to feed.
แสนหลวงนะโซนนะบน
Ah, you have to put it in the mouth directly.
บนอย่างว่าบนนะบนถือว่าอ้าปากเข้าใจเข้าใจ
Wow, this is crazy.
บนเลย up
Up.
เลย up มันได้หน่อยเดียวแหละ
Let's go to feed these elephants. A ver. Oh. Oh. So here we are, as you can see, at the Katon National Park, and we're going to see the sticky waterfall right now. hopefully it will be nice. So we will end the tour here of Chiang Mai. So as you can see here, all people playing boomerang. Now we're going to the waterfall, the sticky waterfall here in Chiang Mai. So as you can see, no eating, no catch the fish, no litter, no right on the floor, no smoking. Let's go down to see the waterfall. Hello. Hola. Well, that seems to be the situation here at the waterfall. As you can see, full of gringos, many people. Maybe because it's Sunday, but otherwise it was a cool tour. That is the last tour with my friend here in Thailand from Chiang Mai. Tomorrow I will go to Bangkok. So see you soon, guys, till the next video from Chiang Mai.